Cardboard Hobby, we are cracking 2023 Panini Phoenix Football Hobby H2 2-box eBay break. April 15th, 2024. I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. We got Nate Jones Locker with the Raiders, Dolphins, Chiefs, Jets, and the Eagles. HIEM.RICH with the Steelers and Giants. Menor Dave with the Broncos. CH76478 with the Bears, Texans, Redskins, Bengals, Browns, Saints, and the Seahawks. Astro-61 with the Colts. We got Dr. Gonzo PhD 661 with the Buccaneers and your Cowboys. Allied Exchange with the Titans. JOHRAGL-0 with the 49ers. CAC.MASO with the Jaguars. KOELF_US 2015 with the Rams. Skywalker OG21 with the Chargers. We got Shop Bag 81 with the Vikings. We got ZACHARASHBEC_0 with the Packers. Scott Langdon 80 with the Lions. R. Farrell 51 with the Panthers. We got JLOD0517 with the Falcons. ROBCA 9219 with the Ravens. John Dahman Jr. with the Bills. And that is your full lineup. All right, we've got 2 boxes here, guys. 2023 Panini Phoenix Football Hobby H2 10 packs per box, guys. Plastic coming off box number 1. All right, here we go. Love the Phoenix product. Keep your eye out for more breaks as well on the Phoenix Football. All right, here we go. Pack number 1, box number 1, guys. Good luck, everybody. Patrick Mahomes, Kenneth Walker, Matt Judon, Zay Flowers, rookie. Nice Zay Flowers. Cam Smith, rookie. Tony Pollard, SP. Yes, it is. Saquon Barkley, purple. 89/125. Saquon there for the Giants. And a Zay Flowers. Fired up rookie there as well. All right, pack number 2. Pack number 2, we got Josh Jacobs, Kenny Pickett, Deebo Samuel, Dorian Thompson-Robinson rookie, Yaya Diaby rookie, Jalen Hurts Fire Forged, that is a silver there too, and a T.J. Watt red, 123/199 for the Steelers, very nice, and a Flame Throwers Trevor Lawrence. Pack number 3. Mac Jones, Adam Thielen, Justin Fields, Michael Pittman. We got a Keanu Benton rookie, Clayton Tune rookie, Bryce Young silver rookie, very nice for the Panthers, and a Hot Routes Jonathan Mingo rookie for your Panthers as well. Nice Bryce Young silver rookie there. Pack number 4. Pack number 4. Kirk Cousins, Jerry Jeudy, Raheem Mostert, Derek Carr. We got a Josh Downs rookie. Kaylee Ringo rookie. Tyreek Hill, silver there as well. A little bit of a streak there at the top of the card. And a rookie rising Quentin Johnston rookie there as well. Pack number 5. Odell Beckham Jr., Christian Kirk, Christian McCaffrey, Von Miller, Miles Murphy rookie, Jaden Reed rookie, a Derek Carr black, 2/10. How about that for the Saints? Low number Derek Carr, 2/10. Congrats to the Saints. Very nice. And a Nick Chubb. Nick Chubb contours there. Silver there as well. Gorgeous Derek Carr /10. Congrats to the Saints. Pack number 6. Cam Akers, Nick Bosa, Javonte Williams. We got DJ Johnson, rookie. Cedric Tillman, rookie. Dak Prescott, SP. Yep. Trevor Lawrence, and that's out of 50. 40 out of 50 there. Nice Trevor. Very nice. And a fired up Bryce Young rookie. Nice fired up Bryce Young rookie there as well. Pack number 7. Pack number 7, we got Isaiah Pacheco, Deshaun Watson, Cooper Kupp, Deuce Vaughn rookie, Sayaka Ika rookie, Jamar Chase SP. Yep. We got a purple Tyler Scott rookie for the Bears. That is 32 out of 125. And a A.J. Brown Thunderbirds for your Eagles. Pack number 8. Pack number 8. Joe Burrow, Mike Evans, Jared Goff, Damian Pierce. We got a Jacorian Bennett rookie. Mozzie Smith rookie. We have a red Geno Smith for your Seahawks. 147 out of 199 there for the Hawks. And we have a Flamethrowers Josh Allen. Pack number 9. Pack number 9, we got Tua, Drake London, Sam Howell, Robert Woods, Garrett Williams rookie, Chase Brown rookie, purple Cooper Kupp, a purple Cooper Kupp, that is 84 to 125. Yep, 84 there, yep. And a Kyler Murray silver SP. All right, guys, pack number 10. Pack number 10. Jordan Love, Treylon Burks, James Cook, Desmond Ridder. We got a Jack Campbell rookie. Quentin Johnston rookie. Keon White rookie red there. That's 41 out of 199 for the Patriots. And we have another Kyler Murray silver SP there. Yep. All right, box 1 down. Box number 2, guys. Here we go. Box number 2. Classic coming off. All right, here we go. Box number 2, pack number 1. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. We got a Tua, Drake London, Sam Howell, Zach Pickens rookie, Tyjae Spears rookie, Flamethrowers Brock Purdy. That's a silver too. Aaron Rodgers for the Jets, orange. 39 out of 99. Nice Rodgers for the Jets, orange. Very nice. And a Flamethrowers Derek Carr. Pack number 2. Mike Evans, Jared Goff, Damian Pierce. We got a Joey Porter Jr. rookie. Sam Laporta rookie. Nice Laporta rookie. Justin Jefferson SP. Luke Schoonmaker rookie. That is out of 50. 16 out of 50 for the Cowboys. Nice Luke. And a Drake London Thunderbirds for your Falcons. Pack number 3. Robert Woods, James Conner, Micah Parsons, Derrick Henry. We got a DeMarvion Overshown rookie. Will Anderson Jr. rookie. Very nice. Travis Kelce, silver. And a Bryce Young, rookie rising rookie. Very nice. For your Panthers. Very nice. Pack number 4. Aaron Rodgers, Donta Foreman, Brandon Ayuk, Nick Chubb. We got a Dalton Kincaid rookie, Brenton Strange rookie, Jair Brown rookie, silver, and a Amon-Ra St. Brown Hot Routes insert there as well. Should be pack number 5, I do believe. Yeah, pack number 5. Pack number 5, Lamar Jackson, Chris Olave, Jalen Waddle, Najee Harris. We've got a C.J. Stroud rookie, very nice. Luke Musgrave rookie. We have a Byron Young rookie purple. That is 78 out of 125 for your Rams. And Bryce Young, Contours rookie, very nice for the Panthers. Very nice. Pack number 6. Pack number 6. Geno Smith, Christian Watson, Daniel Jones. We got a Kendra Miller rookie. Jair Brown rookie. Travis Etienne Jr. SP. Von Miller purple. That is 41 out of 125 there for your Bills. Very nice. Von Miller. Thunderbirds. Odell Beckham Jr. Pack number 7. Amari Cooper, Alvin Kamara, Myles Garrett, Jonathan Taylor. We got a Jalen Carter rookie. Bryce Young. Nice Bryce Young rookie. Very nice. Cooper Kupp red. 9 out of 199. Nice Cooper Kupp. And a Dak Prescott flame throwers there as well. Pack number 8. Pack number 8. Josh Allen, Justin Jefferson, Jalen Hurts. We got a Trenton Simpson rookie. Tyler Scott rookie. Mac Jones SP. Yes, it is a red. Gervon Dexter Sr. rookie for the Bears. 54 to 199. For the Bears. And a fired up Travis Kelce. Pack number 9 coming after that. Pack number 9. Deontay Johnson. We got a Rashad White, Aaron Donald, Travis Etienne Jr., Chad Ryland rookie. We got an Uzomah rookie. Got an orange Breece Hall for the Jets, which is 33 out of 99. Nice Breece Hall for the Jets. Very nice. And a Mac Jones Silver SP. All right, guys. Pack number 10. Here we go. Pack number 10. Juju Smith-Schuster, Brian Robinson, Devonta Smith, Joe Mixon. We got a Jonathan Mingo rookie. We got a Tuipulotu rookie. We got a Keely Ringo rookie for your Eagles. That is out of 125. 86 out of 125 for the Eagles. Purple there. And another Mac Jones Silver SP. All right, box 2 down. We're going to do a brief recap here, guys. Run back through all of our numbered parallel hits here. We got the Kelee Ringo rookie purple for your Eagles, 86 out of 125. We have a Breece Hall orange. That's 33 out of 99 for the Jets. Gervon Dexter Sr. rookie red for the Bears. That's 54 to 199. Nice Cooper Kupp red. That's 9 out of 199 on the Cooper Kupp. Von Miller purple. And that is 41 out of 125. We got a Byron Young rookie for your Rams, which is 78 out of 125. Luke Schoonmaker rookie out of 50. 16 out of 50. Nice Luke for the Cowboys. Aaron Rodgers, orange for the Jets. Sharp-looking card. 39 out of 99. Keon White rookie for the Patriots, which is 41 out of 199 there. Red. A purple Cooper Kupp. 84 out of 125 for your Rams. We had the Geno Smith for the Hawks. Red. 147 out of 199. Mr. Tyler Scott for the Bears, and that's 32 out of 125. Trevor Lawrence. Nice Trevor Lawrence here. 40 out of 50. Nice Trevor Lawrence. 40 out of 50. Very nice. How about this Derek Carr? Black for the Saints. How about it? 2 out of 10. 2 out of 10. Derek Carr. Black. Congrats to the Saints. Gorgeous hit there out of 10. Mr. TJ Watt red for the Steelers. That is 123 to 199. And a Saquon Barkley purple. And that is 89 out of 125. Guys, I want to thank everybody so much for breaking. Really, really do appreciate it. Cardboardhobby.com. Dugan 1640 on eBay. Once again, we do have breaks filling on our website. Don't miss out on those. Teams and spots are selling quickly. Highly recommend that you create an account. Take advantage of our loyalty reward program as well. You will get a free $5 break credit just for signing up on our website. We've got a great break schedule all week long. I'll be sticking around in case anybody has any questions. Thank you so much for all your support. Please be smart, be safe out there.